Hello, today I will unboxing and test Xiaomi Dust Mite Vacuum Cleaner Pro. The Xiaomi Dust Mite Vacuum Cleaner Pro is a handheld vacuum cleaner designed to eliminate dust mites, allergens, and other small particles from mattresses, bedding, upholstery, and other soft surfaces. The primary function of this vacuum cleaner is to target and remove dust mites, which are a common cause of allergies and respiratory problems. The newly upgraded cyclonic dust separation airflow combined with a stainless steel filter mesh, filter element, and cotton filter, forms a robust 4-layer filtration system. It can capture mites while instantly separating dust from air and continuously maintaining strong suction. Simultaneously emits 55 degrees Celsius hot air during mite removal to reduce mite activity deep within bedding. Continual drying keeps bedding dry and fluffy, suppressing mite and bacterial regeneration. The dust compartment has been redesigned into a visible capsule that makes the mite removal process transparent. The dust compartment disassembles with one press, making dust disposal effortless and clean. Featuring a 400-watt high-performance motor that unleashes a powerful 14 kPa cyclone suction and a 20 cm wide intake nozzle to ensure penetration deep into bedding to extract hidden mites and their excrement. There is a display with two buttons on the handle, the lower one is for ignition, and the upper one is for changing modes. Low suction, smart mode, device changes suction speed depending on amount of dust, and high suction. Hot air, ultrasonic and UV are always on when the device is placed on the surface it is cleaning. UV sterilization, 97% mite removal and 99% bacterial removal. Features an LED digital display with an integrated intelligent sensing system that continuously monitors dust mites in fabrics. The smart indicator changes color to show current mite conditions. Green color show low dust density, yellow moderate, and orange high dust density. Go through the places in yellow and orange several times. To remove the container, press the side button.
I hope the results come out good for him so that I know that we can keep him around for many more years and that we don't have to put him down. If it gets to where he's hurting and pain, I don't want him suffering. All right, we'll talk to you.
To open and close the container, pay attention to the markings.
It's a full house at Animal House. The boarding kennels are at capacity, as is doggy daycare. And taking up precious space are two puppies newly arrived from Galena, Alaska.
We got the puppies from Galena on our trip. We much do stays and neuters in the villages.
After cleaning the mattress and pillows, a considerable amount of dust was found in the container. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.